Installation video for Sun10 STD307 Dental Chair Part 1 Patient Chair Installation. Sun10 STD307 Dental Unit is packed in 4 packages. The installation step of the components in each package has corresponding installation video. Each installation video guides the assembly of components in a package. Recommended installation tools: scissors, cross screwdriver, small slotted screwdriver, claw hammer, hexagon wrench set, pointed nose pliers, adjustable wrench, level ruler. Installation of patient chair. Open the package of patient chair. Take out all components and check according to the packing list. Remove the cushion supports and place them aside, or later use when installing cushion. Remove the reinforced support. Use a wrench to remove the fixing screws of the patient chair base plate. Lift and move the patient chair to an appropriate place. Installation of reinforcement plate. The mounting screws have been installed at the installation point of the reinforcement plate. Unscrew the screws and install the reinforcement plate. Tighten the screws with wrench. Use a level ruler to measure the level of the patient chair base plate. Take out 6 pieces of horizontal adjusting screws from the attached document bag and screw them into the leveling screw holes of the base plate. Level the patient chair base plate by adjusting the horizontal screws. Take out the backrest fixing plate. Backrest fixing screws are attached to the fixing plate. Align the backrest fixing plate with the mounting holes. Screw the fixing screws into the mounting holes and tighten them. Take out the head rest support. Slide it into the head rest slot on the backrest fixing plate. Installation for components of patient chairs completed. Thank you for watching.